Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to delete PayRange account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to delete your PayRange account, the first option that you can use is delete from the app if available. To do it, simply head over and open up the PayRange application. Then once inside, what you need to do is be sure to be logged into your account as well. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is simply tap on the three horizontal bars on the top left corner of the screen. Then once you're inside there, simply tap on your account name. Then once you're inside your profile, here you'll find an option that says delete account right here. Simply tap on that and then follow the on-screen prompts to simply confirm your deletion. If you don't see a delete option, you can use the contact PayRange support option. To do it, simply head over back to your home, then tap on the three horizontal bar once again, then tap on contact us. Then once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on login your account, and then what you need to do is simply tap on I forget my password or I can't log in. Then all you gotta do is submit a request or email support@payrange.com as well. You can just simply chat with the agent of PayRange and then ask Larry to delete your account. Then once that's done, wait for the confirmation, which usually takes 1 to 3 business days, and once that's confirmed, your account will be deleted. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.